Step 1. Choose the materials to create a sturdy beach umbrella. Start by gathering the necessary materials: a large piece of fabric, preferably with UV protection, like polyester, a set of sturdy aluminum or wood poles, nylon or cotton thread, a handsaw, sand anchors, and optional elements like tassels or decorative patterns for personalization. Step 2. Create the canopy first. Decide on the ideal size of your umbrella canopy. Common beach umbrellas are about 6 to 8 feet in diameter. Cut your fabric into a circular shape based on this size. To create the circular pattern, fold the fabric into quarters and then cut the arc. This ensures symmetry. Step 3. Stitch the panels. If your fabric is not wide enough, you may need to cut multiple triangular panels and stitch them together to form a circle. Use a sewing machine or hand stitching with nylon thread to secure each seam. Ensure each seam is double stitched for durability. Hem the edges to prevent fraying. Step 4. Fix the ribs for the umbrella's ribs. Use lightweight and strong aluminum or hardwood. Cut the poles to equal lengths, about 8 to 10, depending on your canopy's circumference. Secure them to the center of the canopy with a strong, flexible joint like nylon or metal rivets, allowing them to effectively spread open and collapse. Step 5. Attach the center pole. Your main support is the center pole. It should be approximately 6 to 7 feet tall, allowing the umbrella to provide adequate shade while standing sturdy in the sand. Drill a hole at one end of each rib, corresponding to a hole at slightly varying heights on the center pole to allow the canopy to open at different angles. Step 6. Add the sand anchor. Attach a spiral sand anchor at the bottom of your main pole. This anchor should be dug into the beach sand to stabilize the umbrella against winds. Step 7. Test the umbrella before heading to the beach. Test the umbrella in your backyard. Open it and collapse it to ensure it functions well. Check the canopy for any loose stitches and test the anchor's effectiveness. Step 8. Customize once you're satisfied with its functionality. Add any personal touches. Decorate the top of the canopy with tassels or paint, or write words or patterns on the fabric for a personal touch.